Hey there, Hawk community. I just bought this Hawk a little while ago, and it came with some clip-on bars. I ordered some new bars, actually new old stock or just used bars, original bars for it because they're much more comfy. Problem is, like a lot of these Hawks, the little nubbin on the control, you can see it right there, had been cut off so that the controls could be fit onto clip-ons. So actually, and I'll show you what I did. This is a little sorry about that. There's a little knob that's a little protrusion that's supposed to stick up from the control. It's supposed to stick into this tiny little hole right there, and that keeps the control from rotating on the handlebar. It's a pretty nifty thing, but I guess instead of drilling a hole in your clip-ons, people just cut this off and hope for the best. It sucked because, sorry about that, this thing, all my controls were spinning around like crazy. There was electrical tape. It was just not very good. It was bad. So what I did was I decided to recreate the nubbin using a little bit of ingenuity and actually see if you can focus here, a screw head. So then I got this 3/8 inch screw, cut the head off, sliced a little cut the head off with the Dremel, sliced a little slot in the top so I could screw it down, drilled out this hole to match, and then screwed it in there. Now I'm going to mix up some epoxy and epoxy this in there so that the screw does not slip, hopefully ever. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. The other side is a little bit different, actually, a little bit better. You can see here that it actually has quite a bit of material for the, this is where it goes right here, for the nubbin for the screw to hold on to. So that's where it's gonna go. I'm just mixing up some epoxy now, and then I'm gonna clean all this up, put it all back together. Definitely need to clean it, it's pretty gross in there. And hopefully that'll keep these controls from spinning on my original handlebars here. Oh, and I did put these eBay adjustable levers on, and they work pretty good. They're pretty good quality. So that's it for today. Have fun riding.